In the blazing sun, it's a race to get as many lobster traps back in the water.
What kind of impact did the hurricane have?
It's going to be huge. Probably all our traps in the water are going to be destroyed.
A restaurant and seafood wholesaler for decades, Keys Fisheries and Marathon supply seafood around the world to Whole Foods and stone crab, they say, to Joe's.
We've probably reduced most of the seafood that comes out of the Keys.
But Irma may have stunted that seafood supply, at least for now.
As soon as the weather cleared after the hurricane, this commercial fishing company has been putting in traps into the water. They've been working around the clock.
We're just trying to get everything back together and get it open, waiting on the employees to get back.
Owner Gary Graves has been here for decades.
We have full power here, full water. We're operational. I mean, the door's off my trailer. I'm sleeping in the office, but yeah.
He's been through a lot of hurricanes. This one stings.
We're lucky. A lot of people lost everything. We're fortunate. We got jobs. The boats are okay. Fishermen are okay. They're going to lose a lot of traps. It'll take us time, but we've been through it before. We'll do it again.
We've been steadily working to recoup to get back to where we started.
You think you can?
We're going to try.
We'll all get through it. The people in the Keys are resilient.
And so the ripple effect in the seafood industry could really be huge. They can't estimate monetary value, but the owner tells us they're hoping to open up the restaurant portion in the next few days.
That's ambitious.
That is very ambitious.
If anybody can do it, the Keys can do it.
And two
they
words
are
for
resilient.
you. 2 words for you.
What's that?
Lobster Reuben. So
Lobster
when you go down to
Reuben.
Marathon, you got to have one. It's
That's
delicious.
a date. Okay, let's make that happen.
Okay.
It's going to do it.